Hello guys, welcome to Hill Studios again, and in this video I will talk about animation retargeting at runtime. So let us see where this can be used initially. Because I faced this issue, I thought to make a video on this one. Initially I'll try to decrease the frame rate to 20. Okay, go to meshes, go to player. So what happens is that initially I have this SWOT guide, this spot which is available in MIXAMO. This entire video will be on MIXAMO solutions, but I think you can use it anywhere you want. So here I have this MIXAMO guide. Initially I made some MVP using this MIXAMO, and I used animations of this SWOT guy only, but I never planned to add new characters. But now I plan to add new characters. They don't work, of course, for all of these different characters, right? Because the animations are initially made for this SWOT guy. So this is where runtime retargeting will help us. One way to do this particular thing is like you just need to click on a particular animation and you just need to create a retarget animation. But what happens is that it will try to duplicate that animation, which leads to more and more memory, and it is very inefficient, right? So what you guys need to do right now is like go to any of your skeleton that doesn't have any animations and go to the skeleton mesh that you have, right click on it, click on this one, right click, you have the skeleton option here and click on assign skeleton. Got it? And it will ask you to choose a skeleton. So what happens in Unreal Engine is like the animation blueprints are also animation blueprints, and also the animations depends on the skeletal mesh. Okay, they depends on the skeleton, they don't depend on mesh at all. So if you're looking from a mesh perspective, try to dissipate or erase it from your brain, because the animations depend on the skeleton. So now what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to assign that skeleton which is responsible for all of the animations and blueprints to this mesh. I hope you guys are getting it. So click on the SWOT skeleton. So this is this peasant girl skeleton, but this is our SWOT skeleton. So initially what happens is that there may be some naming conventions issues when you are trying to convert one skeleton to other. Like initially there is no neck one initially when I imported it from MIXAMO, and also there is a naming convention error in the left foot to this one. So what you guys need to do is initially you just need to check out here. You will have a red warning saying like missing. You just need to take note of all of those stuff, and you need to take note of all of the naming conventions as well. And you just need to go to Blender and you just need to add bones, rename bones, so that they match exactly with the particular character that you have animations with. So for reference, you can also import the character with the animation so that you can just align the bones at the same position in the other mesh and import it into the Unreal Engine again, and just click on accept. Got it? Any mesh, go to peer and right click skeleton, assign skeleton, and choose what skeleton you want. Click on SWOT skeleton. If I click on, let us say SKL3, something like that, if I click on this one, you can see missing. But if you want to convert one character to other character, there should be no missing. Okay, it should be very smooth. If you click on accept, there should be no warning. Got it? This is one of the way to get into runtime retargeting. And now if you do all of this stuff, then that particular mesh should be playing animations that your original mesh should be playing. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, consider subscribing. Thank you.